How to buy test token. So this token came under the symbol of TSTS. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and check their Telegram channel too. They include it on the REFERRAL account. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token, copy the token from here. As you can see, this token is under this Solana network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Go to your wallet, select the Solana as a network from here. Click on this plus icon, paste the token at this here. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now, after you add this token to your wallet, go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added called TSTS. So this is it. Now click on it. Click here on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT. And make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here's how much you want to buy. In a way, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is enough. That click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy this token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.